Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Monday, August 11th, 2025. We're covering market moves in technology, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Tech-related indexes closed mostly lower today with strong underlying trends. The Nasdaq 100 and Nasdaq Composite both fell about 0.33%. The communication services sector hit an all-time high during trading, but couldn't hold it at the close. Market breadth shows decliners outnumbering advancers across tech indexes. Notably, the Nasdaq Composite saw nearly 2,000 declining stocks versus 1,250 advancing. The technology sector showed similar weakness with decliners outpacing advancers by nearly 2-1. Year-to-date returns remain strong for most tech indexes, with the technology sector leading at 15%. The communication services sector follows closely at 14.9%. However, the healthcare sector continues to lag, down 5.5% this year. Among top tech performers, Micron Technology led with a 4% gain, rising for its third straight day. Intel jumped 3.6% after breaking out of a 4-day consolidation period. Motorola Solutions extended its winning streak to 4 days. Looking at returns, Micron Technology stands out with a 47% gain year-to-date. Supermicro follows with a 48% rise. Meanwhile, GoDaddy has struggled, down 31% this year, despite today's gains. Among declining tech stocks, Intuit led losses, dropping 5.7% and marking its third consecutive down day. EPAM Systems fell 3.9%, while Salesforce hit a one-year low, down 3.2%. Year-to-date performance shows EPAM Systems down 35%, while Salesforce has declined 30%. Despite today's sharp drop, Intuit maintains a 12% gain for the year. Technology ETFs showed mixed performance today. Cubes closed at 572.76, down 1.79, while the Vanguard Information Technology Index Fund fell to 695.26. The VanEck Semiconductor ETF remained relatively stable at 293.40. All three maintain very strong positive trends, with some upward volatility. Looking at returns, VanEck Semiconductor ETF leads year-to-date performance with a 21% gain. ProShares Ultra QQQ shows the strongest month-to-date return at 3.5%. Meanwhile, the ProShares Ultra Pro Short QQQ has declined over 43% this year, reflecting the strong bull market in tech.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Microsoft and Alphabet both saw minimal declines while maintaining very strong positive trends. Meta Platforms and Amazon show sideways consolidation, while Apple experienced strong upward volatility despite closing down. Year-to-date returns show Meta Platforms leading with a 30.8% gain, followed by Microsoft at 23.8%. Apple stands out with negative returns of -9.3%, while Alphabet and Amazon show modest gains under 6%. In semiconductor stocks, semi-LEDs surged 11.4%, while Valens Semiconductor gained 5.8%. Micron Technology advanced 4% with strong upward volatility. Intel broke out from sideways movement, climbing 3.6%. Year-to-date performance shows Micron Technology leading with a 47% gain, while Semi-LEDs is up 40%. SealSQ has struggled, down 54%, and Valens Semiconductor has declined 16%. In cloud computing, Oracle led gains with a 1% rise while maintaining a very strong positive trend. Dell Technologies showed upward momentum for 3 consecutive days. Scalar experienced strong downward volatility despite closing higher. Year-to-date returns show Oracle leading with an impressive 51.6% gain, matched by Scholar at 50.3%. Dell Technologies and CrowdStrike have posted solid gains of 20% and 24.6% respectively. In AI and robotics, Intuitive Surgical edged up 0.37%, despite showing a very strong negative trend. RTX maintains a very strong positive trend despite minor losses. ASML Holding and Yaskawa Electric both drifted lower. Year-to-date performance shows RTX leading with a 33.7% gain. ASML Holding has gained just 4%, while Intuitive Surgical, Oceaneering International, and Yaskawa Electric are all down between 9% and 18%. In thematic ETF trends, SPEAR Alpha ETF and AI and Technology both show very strong positive trends. AI and Innovation Fund maintains upward momentum, while Pacer US Cash Cow's growth has declined for 5 consecutive sessions. Year-to-date returns show SPEAR Alpha leading with a 28.3% gain. AI and Technology and AI and Innovation Fund have both gained over 15%. Automation shows an 11.6% increase while maintaining sideways movement for the past week. Electric vehicle stocks showed strength today, led by XPeng surging 5.9% amid high volatility. Tesla gained 2.8% with strong upward momentum, marking its 4th consecutive positive close. NIO continues its upward trend with a 1.4% gain. XPeng leads month-to-date returns at 17.5% and shows remarkable year-to-date gains of 81%. Tesla has rebounded 10% this month, despite being down 16% year-to-date. NIO maintains positive momentum across all timeframes. Quantum computing stocks showed broad gains, with IonQ leading, up 7.3% with notable volatility. Rigetti Computing rose 3.4% while maintaining a very strong positive trend. D-Wave Quantum added 2.7% amid mixed positive momentum. D-Wave Quantum leads year-to-date performance with a remarkable 107% gain. IonQ shows strong momentum, up 12.7% month-to-date. Rigetti Computing has advanced 10.2% this month while maintaining positive trajectory. Solar stocks rallied today, with VivoPower International surging 16.4% for its 3rd straight positive close. SunPower jumped 8.3% despite its longer-term negative trend. Beam Global gained 5.6% amid mixed positive momentum. VivoPower International shows exceptional returns, up 41% month-to-date and 347% year-to-date. SunPower and Beam Global remain down year-to-date despite today's gains. FTC Solar shows mixed trends across timeframes. Technology thematic ETFs showed mixed performance today. ARK Innovation ETF and ARK Fintech Innovation ETF both maintained strong momentum, each marking their 4th consecutive day of gains. VanEck Semiconductor ETF exhibited some upward volatility despite a slight decline, while Invesco DWA Technology Momentum ETF extended its losing streak to 5 days. Year-to-date returns show ARK Fintech Innovation ETF, leading with a remarkable 46.5% gain, followed by ARK Innovation ETF at 32.5%. VanEck Semiconductor ETF has gained 21.2%, while Invesco DWA Technology Momentum ETF is the only fund showing negative returns, down 7.2% for the year.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.